talk the entire time. You get them like talking about something that's very exciting to them, and they feel good, and they leave the conversation. They go, "I really like you. You're a great person, and I've never had a good talk like this before." And you're like, "I
That
didn't say a
is
damn
so
thing," but
true. It is what you felt leaving that conversation. When you leave the conversation, it is what you felt. Sometimes people are really good
exactly.
listeners, and they make you feel a certain way. Sometimes they don't have to say a whole paragraph for you to feel understood. Sometimes, just one sentence or two, and you'll be like, exactly, that's exactly what I mean.
Yeah,
I
reflection.
love those kind
And
of
like
people.
in communication workshops, it's reflection. So someone says something, they go, "Oh, I've just been having a really hard time, and and work is stressful, and this like for 5 minutes," and you go, "It sounds like you're having a really hard time, and work is stressful," and they're like, "Yeah, you really get me." And it's like, well, you just told me, I just
Yeah.
repeat it back to you, and it's so important for some people. They never had it, and then they have it, and they're just like, "Wow, I feel just like hurt for the first time ever."
Yeah, because Lulu mentioned earlier, like certain type of people, when you approach them, okay, earlier you're talking about people who are trying so hard to be liked, right? So some people, they think highly of themselves that they create this distance, the distance um, with other people. So they're like, oh, I am mysterious. Oh, like I am here and you are here, like stay back, something like that. So when sometimes it works for other people. When a person is this person sounds really intelligent, but and people like, oh, this person always says no, or this person has a high boundary. I respect this person. I want to be liked by this person, you know? But then when I listen to this person, I'm going to be like, oh my gosh, he's just making a dumb thing sound intelligent, but actually he's not intelligent.
Yeah, I have an analogy for those people. It's a bunch of guys standing around a motorcycle holding beers going, "Yeah, it's got two wheels," and then someone comes in the group and they're like, "Oh, I was on the moon the other day," and they're like, "Really?" There's always some group that feeds them and they go, "Wow, that worked," and then they go to another group and it doesn't work. They're like, "Dude, you've not been on the moon," right? So like the analogy I give is talking to a car person like you're a car person, and you're like, "Yeah, I changed the flux capacitor the other day and put in headlight fluid," and they're like, "Those you're just talking nonsense, bro. Like, I've been working on cars for 10 years." And I love running into them. It's really funny because you're like, "Wow, how far have you gotten before someone caught you?" And like, if someone catches you, do you keep doing
Before
it?
someone caught
Because
you.
yeah, because you know that it works like 90% of the time, or you're gonna keep doing it after you got caught. Like you're just gonna. So I there was this guy in the Discord group I was in. He would do that all the time, and I knew he was like the headlight fluid thing, like mechanic. And I was quiet the first few times, so I heard him do it, and I never called him out on it. One day I was like, all right, someone's got to do this. Like, you know, I'm in the obligation to do it because I
Yeah.
know. And I did it, and then ever since then, he never did it around me. But there was a few times I snuck into a call, and he didn't know I was in there, or I was on an alt, and he was doing it again. So I have
Oh my
a good authority from at
goodness.
least one person that when they get caught, they just don't do it around the person that catches them anymore.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot of people
It's
like
like
that.
seeing under the rug.
I
Yeah.
have, Taziri. Taziri is a really close friend of mine. He's one of those people who are really good at um he doesn't know it, but he's really good with people. He's really good at making people feel seen around him.
I
Like
think he knows it.
sometimes you think he knows it
I
because
think I'd be very surprised if he didn't by now.
I know, right? I know, right? Whenever, because up until this point, because he's still hesitating. to start something. He wants to start something on Hello Talk. It's like his project, all right? And he's asking me, it's like, oh, Danica, what do you think about this? You know, because my English is not good, and I feel like people will something like that. I was like, what? Don't you realize that you are the glue, you know, that sticks everyone together? Like, you have that charisma on people, and yeah, and he's really good when it comes to making people feel good around him. Maybe maybe sometimes people who are, you know, drawn to him, maybe they're gonna be like, I don't know what's with Taziri, but you know, I feel like he's a good person, he's a good friend, so I want to be in his VR all the time, you know. So he has that um, kind of
That
personality.
ability.
Yeah,
If
I've
you
been to
could,
his
Yeah.
VRs too.
if you could have any attribute like that's positive, like laid down on a piece of paper, there's all these attributes, and you could buy them, and the one that you would want to buy is that. That's the most valuable one. It pays the most amount of money. It makes your life the most high quality. I think Dale Carnegie said that if he could take all of his money and erase everything and pool it into one thing, it would be the ability to be liked by the people that you're around, like high EQ, good sociability, make people feel good when
Yeah.
they're near you.
And he thinks he's
You have
awkward.
that ability.
All right. No, I don't. He thinks he's awkward, but actually sometimes
Okay.
he's effortlessly hilarious. You know.
Yeah.
Cesare, I
Yeah,
guess.
He overthinks things.
Oh, is
you
he
have that
here?
too. So if I were to tell you and you were to deny it, it's the same thing that he's experiencing. The same. Oh no, I don't. Blah blah blah. Same thing. You're both the same on that front.
I like his vibes too. I've been to his voice room a couple of times. We only talked maybe once or twice, but he was really friendly too. He was nice. He was a bit shy, but he was like really nice.
Sometimes too nice, you know. When I come up on
Yeah.
the stage, he didn't know that someone is already insulting him or making fun of him, and I'm gonna come up on the stage and it's like, can you all just, you know, please let the host talk? Thank you very much. I'm gonna be like
Yeah.
that. And then, you know, and he, you
You're
know,
a
in
mod
the
in there.
DMs.
You mod kick.
What?
You're a mod in his room. You should mod kick.
I mean, Danica, as we were talking about the backhand compliments, stuff like that, you know, in English,
Backhanded
people,
compliments, yeah.
yeah, people do that, and they like put like this awkward laugh, like make it a joke, and he overthinks. He was like, is it me? They're joking. Oh, it's just me. But they're not. They're just giving him a backhanded compliment, and it's sometimes really rude, to be honest.
Yeah.
Sunkist, I have to go, but it was really nice talking to you and everyone else here.
No, Lulu.
No,
Thank you, Lulu, for being here. You know what? When you came up on the stage, suddenly my spirit and my liver, my pancreas, they just
Oh my
started to like
God.
function well again.
You're too sweet. Thank you.
Whoa.
Like
She
all
up
my organs are
pancreatic
like,
health.
yeah.
That is the greatest compliment ever.
It is. I love it. Thank you so
She
much.
even grew another
I was,
kidney. Nice to meet you, Lulu.
yeah.
No, you guys
I
are
mean that.
very.
I mean it from the bottom of my esophagus.
Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. You guys are very sweet and welcoming, and the vibes are immaculate here. So
Wow,
thank you. I had a great
immaculate.
time. Yes, yes.
Thank
And
you.
I'll try to join soon again. It was really nice talking to all of you.
Thank you,
Nice
Lulu. Enjoy
pleasure to
your
meet
day.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Pleasure to meet you as well. Have a great life and a good day. Bye
Have a great
bye.
You
life.
as well.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Bye bye.
Wow.
I feel like
Before she,
we're trained to think that have a good life is like a bad way to leave, but a lot of the people you speak to, you never see them again, so it's actually like a pretty good one.
yeah, you know, that's actually a habit that we build. also in the Philippines, instead of saying like good morning or magandang umaga, it's like magandang buhay, something like that. Instead of saying good
Oh, I've
morning,
not
it's
heard
like,
that yet.
hey, good life, something like that.
Oh,
I'm
buhay.
gonna
Or if
steal
you're
that.
or if you
You're
see
gonna
like a
steal that?
long
Oh, you have to
breath.
say it. Yeah, Ali, teach Hawaldo magandang
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 buhay.
buhay.
magandang
Wait,
buhay.
which one is it? There's buhay and buhay, and or something like that. And they both mean different words.
What
So
the
which
heck?
one's
You
right?
know that?
Buhay and
Yeah,
oh, you
buhay
mean like
house.
mabuhay and oh, you meant bahay?
No, buhay. There's buhay and buhay.
Buhay is life. Buhay is alive.
Oh,
Yeah, that.
oh yeah.
So I say,
Yeah.
kamusta ang buhay?
Yeah, perfect. Exactamo.
Yeah, or
Yeah,
if
I
you
say
have
that and they
like a
go,
really
okay,
close
long.
friend that
Or, oh,
that you
mabuti.
haven't seen for a long time, I just say like, oh, buhay ka pa, kind of
Buhay
like
ka pa.
that
Oh,
way.
you're still
Yeah,
alive.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Oh my
I
use
god,
just
that.
do
that's
it to
Buhay
the,
ka
hilarious.
ba?
I do it to the random kuya that like they're really excited to see a foreigner and they want to connect to them, and I go, oh, kamusta ang buhay? And I just chat with them a little bit.
Well, though,
Usually learn
because you're in the Philippines, all right, and it's true that Philippines